So, you think you know Google Maps? Well, think again. It's not just a boring navigation app anymore. Let me take you on a ride to discover 5 mind-blowing AI features in Google Maps that you didn't even know you needed. And trust me, we are doing it fast because your time is precious. Number 1 is Immersive View. Tired of googling static images? Yeah, that was so 2020. But if I told you that instead of clicking on 20 photos, you could literally fly through the city like Iron Man? Here's the magic. Google Maps literally lets you explore the entire city in 3D. No more guessing what your Airbnb really looks like. You see everything from traffic jams to how shady that cafe actually looks at night. And don't even get me started on live weather updates. You won't be packing your shorts for a thunderstorm ever again. So next time your friend sends you a postcard from Tokyo, you can say, I have already been there, virtually of course. But hey, no spoilers. Let's be honest. Google Maps suggestions used to be so random, like I'm not going to steakhouse when I'm searching for vegan pizza. No thanks. But now, AI-powered conversational search makes Google Maps your personal foodie guide. Here's the kicker. This feature doesn't just show you the restaurants, it analyzes your preferences, history, and even mood. Seriously. Google's like, oh, you like spicy, vegan, gluten-free sushi? Got it. Check out this hidden gem with a 4.7 star rating. It's like having a foodie friend who knows exactly what you like, down to the last avocado roll. Let's face it, AI-powered search just turned Google Maps into personal restaurant concierge. No more, where should we eat arguments. You're welcome. Ever walked out of the subway? Totally lost, looks like an obvious tourist. Yeah, we have all been there, but Google's live view is about to change that forever. Just point your camera and boom, AR arrows pop up, guiding you straight to your destination. It even tells you if the place is open or closed. No more awkward map turning moments. See that arrow? You follow it, done. No fuss. With live view, you are not just navigating, you are gliding through the city like you own the place. And trust me, no one will know you are not a local. Number 4 is EV charging stations. So you have got an electric car, probably Tesla, cool. But if your battery dies in the middle of nowhere, suddenly it's not so cool. Is it? Don't worry. Google Maps has your back. Google Maps now shows you charging stations with real-time availability. You know exactly how many ports are free, how fast they will charge, and if you can grab a latte while you wait. No more anxiety about finding a free port. Plus, you can plan the perfect pit stop for your road trip. Google Maps just made EV road trips 10 times easier. It's like your car will never run out of a juice again. Last but definitely not least, lens in Maps. This one, oh, it's total game changer. Just point your camera and let Google do all the hard work. Who needs a tour guide when you got your phone? Check this out. I point my phone at this cafe and boom, menu, ratings, even the option to make a reservation. If you are traveling, it will even translate the signs or menus in real time. AI is officially your travel buddy now. It's like you have your personal interpreter and guide, all packed into one app. So, Lens in Maps turns your camera into a multifunctional tool. Explore, translate, and resolve, all with one tap. It's like Google is making your world traveling pro. Did you know Google Maps could do all that? Yeah, me neither. Until now, obviously. So next time you fire up the app, remember, it's way more than just navigation. It's your personal travel companion with superpowers. Smash that like button if you learned something new and hit subscribe for more epic tech tips and tricks. And don't forget to ring that bell icon to stay updated.